Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. In our last class, we were discussing chapter 3, which was all about page formatting in MS Word. MS Word is an application software used for word processing. It is used to type letters, reports, and other documents. Next, we will discuss about page layout. Page layout is the term used to describe how page of our document will appear when it is printed. It includes elements like margins, number of columns, how headers and footers will appear, and many more. It has two settings: page orientation and page size. Let's discuss about them. So the page layout is having orientation and size options. Page orientation. It is the direction in which a document is displayed or printed. It can be either portrait, that is the vertical format, or landscape, that is horizontal format. The default orientation is portrait. You can see in portrait it will appear vertically, and in landscape it will appear horizontally. To change page orientation, we follow these steps. First of all, we select the layout tab and then we click the orientation button in the page setup group. From there, we choose the option of our choice, whether we want to choose landscape or portrait. So from here, we can choose. You can see orientation is having two options, portrait and landscape. Next comes page size. We can select the size of paper from the standard sizes available in the size option. So these are the steps to select the page size. First of all, we will select the layout tab and then we will click the size button on the page setup. A list of paper sizes is displayed with the current paper size highlighted. From there, we will select the desired page size. You can see here, once you will click here on size option, various options are there. Right now it has been selected like A4. So from here, you can select your desired page size. Next comes previewing a document. Previewing a document enables us to see exactly the way the pages will appear when printed, how it looks when it will be printed, what the look will be, and where necessary we can make any changes to the document. So these are the steps. First of all, we will click the file tab and then select the print option. The preview of the document will automatically appear on the right side of the Word window. To view each page, click the navigation keys. The view of the document can be enlarged by using the zoom slider, which is present at the bottom right corner. You can see here, when we will click on print, the preview is displayed here. Next comes printing a document. How we can print a document. Once the preview is over, we have seen the preview, it's okay. Now we want to print the document. So what we will do? We will follow these steps. First of all, we will click the file tab and from there we will select the print option. we will choose the kind of printer, and then we will enter the number of copies we want to print in the copies spin box. By default, the number of copies to be printed is 1. We can change it according to our requirement. Under the settings section, we click the arrow next to print all pages to choose any given option. And after selecting the type of printing option, we click on print. So this is how we can print the document. So up to here only. We will continue in our next class. Thank you.